To get the most out of Debank historical data, start by understanding what Debank is and what it offers. Debank is a platform that provides cryptocurrency wallet tracking and analytics, allowing users to monitor their portfolio and make informed investment decisions. Historical data on Debank refers to the past transactions, balances, and other relevant information that can be used to analyze trends and patterns in the cryptocurrency market. First, navigate to the Debank website and log into your account. Once logged in, click on the Portfolio tab to view your current holdings and transaction history. To access historical data, click on the specific asset or wallet you are interested in, and then select the time frame for which you want to view data. One of the most useful features of Debank historical data is the ability to track price movements and trends over time. By analyzing this data, you can identify patterns and make predictions about future price movements. For example, if you notice that a particular asset has consistently increased in value over the past year, you may want to consider investing in it. Another key concept to understand when working with Debank historical data is the importance of transaction volume. By analyzing transaction volume, you can gauge the level of interest and activity in a particular asset, which can be a key indicator of its potential for future growth. In addition to tracking price movements and transaction volume, Debank historical data also provides information on whale transactions, which can be a key indicator of market sentiment. By monitoring whale transactions, you can gain insight into the investment strategies of large-scale investors and make more informed decisions about your own investments. To get the most out of Debank historical data, it is essential to use it in conjunction with other tools and resources. For example, you can use technical analysis indicators such as moving averages and relative strength index to confirm trends and patterns identified in the historical data. Best practices for using Debank historical data include regularly reviewing and updating your portfolio, diversifying your investments, and staying up to date with market news and trends. By following these best practices and using Debank historical data effectively, you can make more informed investment decisions and achieve your financial goals.